What if everything you see, the stars, the planets, even you, came from absolutely nothing? Take a moment and imagine that. No sky, no earth, no light, no time, just nothing. Today we're diving into one of the biggest questions ever asked. How was space created? And by the end of this video, you'll understand not just how the universe began, but how you are part of that story. Before space, before time, before anything, there was nothing. No light, no matter, no energy, not even time itself. That last part is important, because when we say before, it doesn't really make sense, since time didn't exist yet. Scientists believe everything began from something incredibly small, smaller than an atom, a point called a singularity. Inside this singularity, all the energy and matter of the universe was packed into one tiny point, infinite density, infinite heat. And then, something happened. About 13.8 billion years ago, the universe began. This event is called the Big Bang. But here's something most people misunderstand. The Big Bang was not an explosion in space. It was the creation of space itself. In less than a fraction of a second, the universe expanded incredibly fast, faster than the speed of light. This period is called cosmic inflation. During this time, energy turned into tiny particles. Particles formed protons and neutrons. Then, atoms began to form. At first, the universe was extremely hot and bright, like a glowing ocean of energy. But as it expanded, it cooled down. And after about 380,000 years, light was finally able to travel freely. That light still exists today. It's called the cosmic microwave background, a faint glow that scientists can still detect across the universe. After the first light appeared, the universe entered a period called the Dark Ages. There were no stars yet, no galaxies, just clouds of hydrogen and helium gas slowly drifting through space. It may sound empty, but something important was happening. Gravity was beginning to shape the universe. Tiny differences in density caused gas to clump together. Over millions of years, these clumps grew larger and larger, until something incredible happened. The first stars were born. These stars were massive, much bigger than our sun, and inside them something magical happened. Nuclear fusion. This is where atoms combine to form heavier elements. Hydrogen turned into helium, then into carbon, oxygen, and even iron. These elements are the building blocks of everything we know, including your body. Yes, every atom inside you was once created inside a star. When these early stars died, they exploded in powerful supernovas, spreading these elements across space. This is how the universe became richer and more complex. As more stars formed, they began to group together. Billions of stars formed galaxies. Galaxies then formed clusters, and those clusters created a massive cosmic web across the universe. One of these galaxies is our home, the Milky Way. It contains over 100 billion stars, and somewhere inside it is us. About 4.6 billion years ago, something special happened inside the Milky Way. A cloud of gas and dust collapsed under gravity. At the centre, a star was born, the Sun. Around it, leftover material began to spin and collide. Over time, these pieces stuck together, forming planets. One of those planets became Earth. At first, Earth was hot and violent, but over millions of years it cooled down. Water formed, and eventually, life began. Here's the most amazing part. The atoms in your body, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, were all created inside ancient stars. That means you are literally made of stardust. You are a part of the universe trying to understand itself. And the story doesn't stop there. The universe is still expanding today. Galaxies are moving away from each other, and the expansion is speeding up. Scientists believe this is caused by something mysterious: dark energy. At the same time, there's also dark matter, which we can't see, but we know it exists because of its gravity. Together, dark matter and dark energy make up about 95% of the universe, which means we only understand about 5%. Even with all this knowledge, some of the biggest questions remain unanswered. What caused the Big Bang? What existed before it? Are there multiple universes? Will the universe expand forever or end someday? Scientists are still searching for answers, and every discovery brings us one step closer. From nothing to everything. From a tiny singularity to billions of galaxies. From exploding stars to life on Earth. The story of space is the story of us, and it's still being written. If you enjoyed this journey through the universe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious. Because the universe is full of mysteries, and we've only just begun exploring them.